The Kamolin sand matters, the traditional sand miners had filed this petition for mandamus to the government to give them permit to start the legal sand mining. Now, as far as that is concerned, the issues concerning ECs are pending with the authorities, and we have made a statement before the High Court that in a period of another 3 to 4 months' time, we will deal with this issue, and we have expedited the whole process, and we will dispose of their request within this period of 4 months. The issue EC was not withdrawn as such. What happened was that that issue was pending in the Green Tribunal, and the matter was not proceeding further. And one of the grounds that was raised in that petition was there was no district survey report prepared by the collector, and therefore what we decided was that instead of applying for a lease or a license based on that particular EC, we decided to apply for a fresh EC, and then based on that fresh EC we will issue permits. So therefore that EC is not withdrawn or anything, that EC is still there, but we will not act based on that EC.